Here we go. In the world of aviation, every once in a while a breakthrough arrives that completely shifts what we believe is possible. Today we're looking at one of those rare moments. NASA's X-59 quiet supersonic research aircraft is not just another experimental plane. It's the product of decades of ambition, engineering, and non-stop research into the future of high-speed flight. The X-59 stands as NASA's bold answer to a question scientists have been trying to solve for more than 50 years. How do you fly faster than sound without shaking the world beneath you? At supersonic speeds, aircraft normally create a powerful shock wave that hits the ground as a loud sonic boom. These booms are so disruptive that commercial supersonic flights over land have been banned since the 1970s. It's the reason aircraft like the Concorde could never unlock their full potential. But the X-59 has been designed from the ground up to rewrite that chapter. Engineers have shaped the aircraft in an extraordinary way, stretching its nose, adjusting its body lines, and fine-tuning its aerodynamics so it doesn't deliver a boom, but a soft, gentle sonic thump. It's a sound so controlled and so quiet that NASA hopes it will change public perception of supersonic flight forever. This mission has a name, Quest. And it's about more than just flying fast. Quest is NASA's effort to gather real data from the real world. Once airborne, the X-59 will fly over select communities so NASA can measure how people react to the quiet thump instead of the explosive boom. Their goal is simple: prove that supersonic travel can be quiet enough to be accepted by the public. If that evidence is strong, NASA will hand that data to regulators, and that information could lead to something many people thought was impossible: removing the current ban on supersonic flight over land. Imagine a future where coast-to-coast flights take just a few hours, international travel becomes dramatically faster, and quiet supersonic aircraft become a normal part of the sky. That's the vision NASA is pushing toward, and it all starts with the X-59. And now, for aviation lovers everywhere, the next big moment is coming fast. NASA is preparing to officially reveal the X-59 to the world. This historic unveiling will take place at 4 p.m. EST on Friday, January 12th. The event is being hosted by Lockheed Martin's iconic Skunk Works, the same team behind some of the most advanced aircraft ever built. After years of development, testing, design changes, and precision engineering, the curtain is finally getting ready to lift. NASA is making sure everyone can witness this moment. The ceremony will stream live on NASA Plus, NASA Television, the NASA app, YouTube, and the agency's website. No matter where you are, you can tune in and watch history unfold. NASA has even shared instructions on how to access NASA TV on different platforms and social media, making this reveal as accessible as possible. The X-59 isn't just a plane, it's a signal that the next era of aviation is almost here. Faster travel, cleaner skies, quieter supersonic technology, and the potential to reshape global transportation. For decades, the dream of peaceful supersonic flight felt distant. Now, for the first time, it feels within reach. The world is watching. And on January 12th, the future will take shape before our eyes. If you want this converted into a Russian version, a no-space version, an emotional version, or one matched with thumbnails or images, just say the word Shazo.